Hey everyone, I made this chair for Alice to sit in. It's almost like this nature throne. First I did a sketch. It was very rough and light. I made a photocopy, which just made it worse. So I traced out one side, took a piece of paper, folded it in half, and took that, used the light board to trace so that I could have a more symmetrical design. I cut it out. I traced it on some cardstock paper to make a great pattern. It's nice to have some firm cardstock for your pattern. Cut that out. And now I can use it as my pattern. Also cut out a pattern for the interior of the chair. Now I've got my exterior shape and my interior shape of my chair ready to go. I'm going to warm up some brown and flatten it out with some rollers and spacers. The spacers are great. They help you keep your consistency of your thickness of your clay the same. But alas, it's too small, so I am going to roll it out even thinner. Now I'm going to cut out the shape with my blade. Our next project is to put the interior markings. So I'm going to need my beveler tool and my pattern, my interior pattern. I'm going to trace that with my beveler. To add more depth, use my blade and cut on the line that I traced out with my beveler straight down. And then make another cut at an angle. I'm going to section that part off. Now I've got more depth. I'm going to continue doing that around the whole thing. So we're adding depth by carving, by using the beveling tool to press down, using our pointer tool to make lines in the clay, more grooves in there. With the pointer tool, and when you press down the clay, it makes it dark because you're having your shadows in there, and it makes it pop more. So add as much detail as you want, smoothing it out. That detail done, it's time to do the interior of the chair, which is going to be made out of green. I took multiple shades of green and marbled it together so to make it look more organic. Now I can texture that to make it look like something growing, like a moss. Done, I'm using some metallic powder gold to make the chair gold. I could have sculpted it gold, but then it would have been all solid gold, and you wouldn't have that contrast of the brown versus the gold. So using my finger as the applicator, I'm controlling the metallic so that it doesn't go into those grooves and all that detail that I did, so it's gonna pop. Also the brown is coming through the metallic, so it gives it a different look than it would if you had a solid gold, or a richer look, more deep deeper look. Anyways, that's it. This is the chair with Alice on it. If you want to see the tutorial on how to make Alice, you can follow the link at the end of the video. Thanks! Hope you enjoyed!